We're very excited, all of us, because it's great to be recognised for the hard work that we're doing. So while we do obviously focus on work, we want them to be happy in every area of their lives, because I do find if you're happy and good at home, that transitions into work as well. So it's really a holistic approach that we take with all of our staff members as well. So one was found himself in quite a predicament and was sleeping in a park. He actually got all burns up the side of his body because he fell asleep and rolled into the fire that he'd lit for himself to stay warm. So a lot of our employees do have pretty difficult backgrounds. So that individual we did put up in and set him up in accommodation until he had the opportunity to get back on his feet and find a more long-term solution. We have had another staff member who was also struggling to find accommodation as well, and looked like she was going to be homeless as well, and myself and Janine and Dale found her a place as well, not within our business, but all got stuck together and actually helped her move as well. So she doesn't have any family in the area, and we helped her move her belongings into a new apartment and get set up there as well. Yeah. Not many of our employees come to us with their driving licence, and Janine and Dale have paid for and also donated their time to take some of them for driving lessons as well. There's a few that I'm actually going to help out in the coming weeks as well, that they just need like 20 hours more to get their Ps. So we all have our open, well, myself, Janine and Dale have our open licence, so we can take them and donate our time as well in helping them get their hours up, which is great for them, because once you have your licence, you have so many more opportunities and different things like that. So every Monday morning we have a staff meeting, and a few of our Monday morning meetings we substituted for boxing lessons, so sort of like a team morale boosting exercise. Not only was it a great fun exercise and everyone was just on a buzz and a high for the rest of the day, it's also sort of helped them individually as well within their own fitness levels, which then allowed them to do better at their job because they are more fit as well. We also, across all of our properties, we have different pools and things like that. So just on the weekend, there's a little bit of an extra benefit. They can come swim in the pool, and that's just like a little bit extra to show them that we appreciate them and reward them as well, like the little extra perks on the side. ETC are a great help for us, and it's nice to be recognised back, I suppose, that not only do they benefit us, but we benefit them as well, and they're happy with us as customers or clients or employers of their clients. So it's nice to have that mutual sort of appreciation of each other.